This is my newborn's wash day routine from 0 to 3 months. Mamas, if you want to keep your newborn's hair healthy, it starts from wash day. Hey NC fam, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so the secret is out, NC fam. I gave birth to my fourth baby on the 30th of May 2023. So here she is. Okay, so this is one of my favorite ways to bath and wash my newborn's hair. In Ghana, this is quite a common way to bath your newborn. This is the way my mother also taught me. Okay, so before I begin shampooing her hair, I like to fully saturate her hair with water first. So I like to emulsify the shampoo in my palms first and then apply it to her hair. This just helps with spreadability. And then I use the pads of my fingers to really work that shampoo into her hair and her scalp just to help with cleansing. You always want to remember to be as gentle as possible, to not use your nails, and like I mentioned before, to use the pads of your fingers. Hey mamas, very quickly, if you are a new mom who's just had a baby or you are pregnant and you're not sure what you need for your newborn's hair in order for it to be healthy and thrive, or you just need some newborn hair care tips, I've got you. Click the link below this video and download your free newborn checklist. In this checklist, I go through everything you need at the newborn stage for your newborn's hair, and I also share some more tips. So like I said, click the link below this video and download your free checklist. So once I'm done shampooing her hair, I like to give her a bath as well. Once I'm done with that, I use a bamboo towel to wrap her head and also her body, cream her body, put her clothes on, and then I go on to moisturize her hair. Her moisturizing routine is very simple, so I just apply coconut oil to her hair and just work it in. Now this coconut oil is going to help with the shine, it's going to help to slow down the evaporation of moisture from her hair, it's going to give her hair that lubrication, and it's going to make her hair feel soft. If you want to see how I moisturize my newborn's hair outside of wash day, so when it's not wash day, click the video that's showing on the bottom left hand corner of the screen and watch that video. This is how I'm able to maintain the moisture in my newborn's hair outside of wash day.